Hello everyone, Dave with Jeet, Kune, Physiology and more. Today is day one. This week I'm going to do a subject on the basics of strength training, different variations, technique, form, all that good kind of stuff, okay? I'm going to go over things like the difference between strength training, muscle building type training, and powerlifting or power movement type training, as well as I might even cover the topic of speed training and how it basically plays into the different type of muscle fibers that there are, okay? Depending on, each video, I want to try to cover all this week. So here's the basics. Number one, you want to focus on form/technique, because even if you are proficient in everything, and if you're very strong, you perform an exercise in an improper way and you're going to get injured. I don't care how healthy you are. I don't care how strong you are. It can happen to anyone, okay? So keep that in mind. All right, form and technique before anything else, before adding weight, before speed training, anything like that. You gotta have that form down. You gotta be in proper positioning, because our bodies, in a kinesiological sense, are meant to move in different angles. But if you put too much weight or improper form in a specific angle, it can honestly twist things in the wrong way, and we can get injured. So we got to keep these things in mind. Okay, so one thing I'm going to mention today with the strength training, the actual strength aspect, strength training, okay? So with me, I'm a little guy, I naturally have faster movements, things like that. I have good cardio because I've been doing it for years. I'm in very good condition, okay? So one of my main focuses is strength, because that is something that I know, not that I'm weak on, I don't feel weak at all, but that is something I know, being a smaller guy, to be able to defend myself in a very efficient manner, I've got to focus on strength. So most of my actual strength training or weight training is focused on strength. When you're performing strength exercises, which I'll show you a better example with weights throughout the week, basically the best way to increase or maximize the strength aspects is fight the negative or eccentric movement. So if you're doing an overhead shoulder press, right, and you're coming down, that is the negative or the eccentric. So you're going to want to go down slower. The more strength you want to build, the slower you're going to want to go, okay? And then to keep things moving, pop back up, back down, breathe in, pop back up. Okay, so that's strength. Okay, if you're wanting to build muscle, you're going to want to put more blood flow into your muscle. So come down a little bit slower, but not quite, because you still want some strength gains. Okay, and you're going to be able, and that's going to allow you to do more repetitions. Doing slower, you're going to be doing less repetitions, more than power movements, but not as much as actual muscle building. You will get some muscle tone, you will get some muscle building properties with that, but you're mainly going to be focusing on strength. So that's the message today. So let's get out there, stay motivated. Believe in yourself, believe you can do it, and believe that you deserve it. Let's get out there, let's go.